Hello mga mommy! If you're looking for a budget-friendly and romantic firework experience, a must-try for families and couples. And if you're looking for a great family bonding experience or a romantic yet affordable date night, we highly recommend this place. Sulit na, tipid pa. Plus, may fireworks at Rose Garden pa for the extra magical touch. So, this is a hidden gem with romantic vibe. Isa sa mga highlights ng lugar na ito ay ang Rose Garden. Perfect for strolling, picture-taking, at syempre sweet moments with your loved ones. Ang ganda ng ambience, lalo na sa gabi, malamig at nag-iilaw ang paligid at may fireworks pa sa background. So, there was a pyro musical fireworks show, a spectacular display. Sobrang breathtaking ng pyro musical competition na napanood namin last night, featuring the best fireworks showcase from Germany and the USA. Iba talaga ang impact ng synchronized music at fireworks. Parang isang live performance na hindi mo makakalimutan. Hindi lang ang mga bata ang nag-enjoy, pati ang mga adults na sobrang na-mesmerize din. Imagine mo yung feeling na nasa ilalim ka ng kalangitan na puno ng sumasabog na kulay habang naririnig ang music na sumasabay sa bawat putok. Sobrang magical. So, tipid tips lang to enjoy the show without breaking the budget para sa mga gustong ma-experience ito na without spending too much. Ito ang ginawa namin. Nag-take out lang kami ng Jollibee at coffee sa Pick Up Coffee para may comfort food habang napapanood namin yung fireworks. Nagbaon din kami ng snacks at tubig para hindi na gumastos pa sa venue. Pinili namin ang spot na hindi crowded at libre. So kung gusto mo man namang manood up close, available ang tickets sa SM Tickets para sa mas malapit at exclusive view. Pero dahil budget mode kami, naghanap kami ng secret spot na libre at ang saya pa rin ng experience. So last week next week, so Canada versus Philippines fireworks show. Hopefully magkita-kita tayo if I have time. Sa mga gustong humabol, next week na ang grand showdown ng Canada at Philippines. Kung gusto mong makita ito ng libre at hindi masyadong matao, now you know where to go. So, sa parking and directions lang, plan ahead kasi sobrang daming nagpa-park, ang daming taong nanonood. So, punuan ang parking kaya mas okay kung maaga kayong dumating. So, saan kami nagpark? Nagpark kami since puno ng ibang slots. Nagpark kami sa Coral Parking at naglakad na lang papuntang 2 Ecom, Prism Plaza kung saan okay ang view. So, you can Google Maps or Waze yung Prism Plaza or 2 Ecom and capture the magical, take photos and videos para masulit ang experience. Take lots of photos and videos, sobrang Instagrammable worthy ng fireworks at ng buong lugar. Memories are best preserved through pictures, kaya huwag kalimutang mag-document ng mga special moments. Sana mag-enjoy din kayo as much as we did. Enjoy mga mommy! See you under the fireworks! Bye-bye! Yun lang!